stepper should have about 1 inch of free play. This one here has about 3 or 4 inches of free play. So it obviously needs oil. To add the oil, we're going to turn it on its side. To start with, we want to make sure the pedal's in the right position. So we want to make sure that the pedal that's highest in the air is pulled all the way down. And this one will be wherever it's going to be. Now we're going to take the plug, there's a fill plug on the side of the reservoir, and we're going to remove that plug. When you take the plug out, there's an O-ring on here. Make sure you don't damage the O-ring and push it all the way back to the top. Also, you'll notice that when you look in the reservoir, it'll look like it's full. Even though it's not, the reservoir looks like it's full. But we're going to add some oil. So we get our funnel, the small funnel that'll fit underneath the arm here and also tight in the hole. And then we're going to take some oil. Any type of transmission fluid will work, or any type of hydraulic fluid will work. So we take some oil, and we're going to fill up this funnel. So hold the funnel, and then pour oil into the funnel until it's almost all the way to the top. And because you're holding the funnel, it won't leak. Now the bottom pedal, the one that's closest to the floor, we're going to slowly pull it up, and at the same time watch the oil go down. It should go down, and it may take a little bit of time for it to go down. Now we're going to pull it down a little bit, make sure there's no air, and pull it back up. Do this a couple of times. Pull it back up, and we should have added the oil. Now we have oil in this funnel, and it's going to spill. There's no way to avoid spilling oil. So just take a paper towel and dump the oil into your paper towel. And then you can wipe it up here. Now we're going to put our plug back in. And you'll note that the top of the reservoir is full right to the top of oil. We can clean up a little bit of the spilled oil here. Now we're going to pick up the stepper. And we're going to try it. And it works. Test the pedal. It's got a little bit of free play on it. And we've successfully added oil to the stepper. If you don't have any free play here, then what you need to do is again push the pedals down. Turn the stepper on its side, take the plug out again, and then just pull it down, half an inch or so. And oil will come out, and then put the plug back in, and then you'll have the correct amount of free play.